Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention. In the short video, you're going to learn how to become a top producer in any direct sales or network marketing company using the internet without recruiting friends and family, without prospecting strangers, without doing meetings. Same formula I used to go from ground zero to create a six-figure income, become a top producer in 2 programs, scale to $30,000 months, take my business beyond that. I'm going to start the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my 10-day attraction marketing video bootcamp. 1 video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps online, how to build a very successful business. Right on that page, after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. The author, Fernie Ceballos, has done over $15 million online. One of my mentors, MIT graduate, marketing genius. This is the guidebook, step-by-step, I use to hit $30,000 months. Incredibly valuable, unbelievable content. Get this guide. Let's get right into the training. Step 1, build a list. And by list, I mean a list of leads. You must generate leads. You will run out of friends and family to talk to you about your opportunity. You have to generate leads on a regular basis. There's an expression in the industry, the money's in the list. That's because your list is an asset. When you decide to change companies, you can't take your team, you can't take your downline with you. That's forbidden by the company. But when you have your own list of leads, you can market your next opportunity to your list and build an organization very, very quickly. This is how businesses get built quickly in this industry. Step 2, warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You cannot simply generate leads and then pitch your opportunity or pitch your products right away. That will not work. Cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. The way to do this, send out short business tips on a regular basis to your audience. Just a short little snippet of instructional content that you have summarized from somewhere else. You don't need to be the originator of this content. Just summarize something you've learned from a webinar you watched or a video you saw online or something you heard in an industry event or heard on a conference call for your business or read in a marketing book. Keep it simple. Be the messenger. Think of any teacher that you had growing up. They didn't write the textbook. They just summarized. That's all you do. In whatever format's the right fit for you. It could be an email that you send with a link to a video or a link to a blog post you've written or a Facebook Live, or just put the tip in the email itself. Just keep it simple. And when you do this regularly, you'll have a very, very warm list. People will see you as a trusted advisor. And at that stage, sell to your list, recruit people into your opportunities, sell them your products. Selling and recruiting happens very naturally. When you use this process, it's not salesy. It happens very, very naturally because you have so much trust built up. This is how I recruited over 200 people into my opportunity without any prospecting. Got a whole lot more training for you. Click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my 10-day attraction marketing formula video bootcamp. 1 training video per day over the next 10 days, how to generate leads online, how to recruit reps online, how to build a very successful business. You'll get ongoing trainings from me thereafter. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. Best training guide, hands down, in the industry, how to build a very, very successful business. Much more thorough than I can put into a video. This is the guidebook I followed, as I mentioned, to go from ground zero to hit $30,000 months. Get the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. It is incredibly valuable. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.